this light, we are greeting all of the cosmos, the east, the west, the north, and the south. As we greet the entire cosmos, we recognize it is in us and outside of us. We recognize we are responsible for the entire cosmos. We pour water and nourish the earth as we nourish our people. In many of our cultures, we pour libation with milk, again, as a way of nourishing, bringing strength to our people, awakening the consciousness. We pour what we call clear air. It's a natural alcohol made from sugarcane. So the light clear air to stimulate life. And we pull the rum, the darker, clearer, and more aged. We use a red candle and a red cup because we call on the principle of transformation. Transformation, so our people's consciousness will rise. So our people will become conscious of who they are and their power and their ability, their duty, their responsibility to bring independence, liberation, sovereignty, self-sufficiency to our people. We are duty-bound to leave for the next generation all the principles. And as the eucalyptus burns and gives us all this smoke, it tells us also we do have the power to go around the planet, around our cosmos, unseen, uninterrupted, carrying our mission, carrying our objectives, and bringing freedom, liberation to the world. Assume your power, assume your divinity, and change this world. I will move.